Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of a window cleaner. Today what have we got? We've got 16 cleans. It should have been 19. We've had 2 skips. One's rearranged to later on. And I'm local, I'm Wisbeach St Mary. So me and Matthew hopefully should get this done, get home at a decent time. I'm hoping, but the sun's out, the talkers will be out and all sorts of problems happen between the start and the end and you just deal with it. So what's going to happen? Who knows? Follow along. That's me and Matthew done the first 4 cleans. It took an hour and 45 minutes for an hour and £35. So that's not too bad with 2 of us. The houses are all close to each other, so there's only a little couple of drive and short stops basically. I'm now heading off now to where the main chunk of it's going to be in Wisbech St Mary, where we'll get the next 12 cleans out of the way. So follow along and see how we get on. But if there's anything you guys think I can make these vlogs better, like different camera angles, that sort of thing, just put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to make them a bit more interesting. It's just hard to be doing it all while you've got a lot of work to do as well and you're against the time sort of thing. But yeah, please just let us know. Anyway, sun's out. It's going to be a warm one. Buffalo's off, sunny's on. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get all my work done, but I keep coming up against these now. I've just come against a road closure, so that'll explain why my sat-nav, or Apple Maps, was trying to take me a weird and wonderful way of getting to where I need to go. So that'll explain that. So when the weather's good, looks like all the roadworks are going to be out. It's either pissing it down with rain or the roads all being chopped up and stuff. But there we go. Right, that's going to make me a few more minutes late, but luckily it's not too bad. It's now 11-minute diversion route. See what effect it has on today. Follow along. Hello everyone, that's me and Matthew done. It's 3 minutes to 5, so I've beaten 5 PM for once these last few days. Sun's been out, but the wind has been a bit chilly, northerly wind, but that's all going to change tomorrow. I believe Thursday, Friday is going to be over the 20-degree mark, so it's going to be a warm one for what we're used to. Anyway, productive day, 16 cleans all done. Last clean did a couple of extras, did a garage door, some windows and a door in the garage, plus like a summer house. So yeah, got that done. All helps, doesn't it, in the bank at the end of the day. So yeah, that's us done. Another good day. 2 more down for the week until it's the weekend. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. If you've got any suggestions, remember, that's going to make these vlogs more interesting for you, or trying to film them, I'll do my best, because I'm still trying to work as well as film. And hopefully if you want them, I'll keep them coming. If not, I might space out the days more. So thanks for watching. YouTube somewhere will stick a video for you to watch next. See you on the next one.